Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a little bit different than my normal videos because it is Father's Day and I want to wish my dad a very happy Father's Day. And I love you, Dad. So I'm transforming my TWA into my father's beautiful afro right here. So I'll be transforming myself into my dad in this video. Alright guys, if you want to see how I transform my teeny weeny afro into a bigger afro, keep watching. Is it trying to get my dad's afro? What do you guys think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? So that's it. That's all you have to do. 8 flat twists with some conditioner. Slept in that overnight. Woke up, took it down, picked it out with a pick. I also oiled my scalp. Alright guys, comment down below, let me know. Special shout out to my dad for Father's Day. So happy Father's Day, Daddy. Did I nail it or did I fail it, Dad? Alright then. Talk to you guys later. Bye.